Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about finding the increase or decrease percent. We often come across such information in our daily life as 20% off on marked prices, 10% hike in the price of petrol. Let us consider a few such examples. The price of a scooter was 34,000 last year. It has increased by 20% this year. What is the price now? This is a solution. Amita said that he would first find the increase in the price, which is 20% of rupees 30,000, and then find the new price. 20% of rupees 34,000, the 20 by 100 into 34,000, that is 6,800. New price, old price plus increase, that is 34,000 plus 6,800 equal 40,800. Sunita used the unitary method. 20% increase means rupees 100 increased to rupees 120. So 34,000 will increase to rupees 120 by 100 into 34,000, that is 40,800. Similarly, a percentage decrease in price would imply finding the actual decrease followed by its subtraction from the original price. Suppose in order to increase its sale, the price of a scooter was decreased by 5%. Let us find the price of the scooter. Price of the scooter 34,000, reduction 5% of rupees 34,000. 5 by 100 into 34,000, that is 1700. New price, old price minus reduction, that is 34,000 minus rupees 1700 is equal to 32,300. We'll also use this in the next section of the chapter. Finding discounts. Discount is a reduction given on the market price of the article. This is generally given to attract customers to buy goods or to promote sales of the goods. You can find the discount by subtracting its sale price from its marked price. So discount equal to marked price minus sale price. Example 3. An item marked at rupees 840 is sold for rupees 714. 40 is the discount and discount percent. Discount is equal to marked price minus sale price. 840 minus 714, that is 126. Since discount is on marked price, we will have to use marked price as the base. On marked price of rupees 840, the discount is rupees 126. On marked price of rupees 100, how much will the discount be? Discount equal to 126 by 840 into 100%, that is 15%. You can also find the discount when discount percent is given. Example 4. The list price of a frock is rupees 220. Discount of 20% is announced on sales. What is the amount of discount on it and its sale price? Marked price is same as the list price. 20% discount means that on rupees 100 MP, the discount is rupees 20. By unitary method, rupees 1, the discount will be 20 by 100. On rupees 2020, discount will be 20 by 100 into 220, that is rupees 44. Therefore, the sale price 220 minus 44 equal to 176. Rihanna found the sale price like this. A discount of 20% means for a marked price of rupees 100, discount is 20. Hence, the sale price is rupees 80. Using unitary method, when marked price is rupees 100, sale price is rupees 80. When marked price is rupees 1, sale price is rupees 80 by 100. When marked price is rupees 220, sale price is 80 by 100 into 220, that is 176. Even though the discount was not found, I could find the sale price directly. Now, estimation in percentages. Your bill in a shop is rupees 577.80 and the shopkeeper gives a discount of rupees 15%. How would you estimate the amount to be paid? Round up the bill to the nearest tens of 577.80, that is 580. Find 10% of this. That is 10 by 100 and 580, that is 58. Take half of this. That is half of 1 by 2 into 58, that is 29. Add the amount 2 and 3, that is 58 plus 29 is 87. You could therefore reduce your bill amount by rupees 87 or by about 85, which will be rupees 495 approximately. Try estimating 20% of the same bill amount. Try finding 15% of rupees 375. Now, price is related to buying and selling, that is profit and loss. For the school fair, I'm going to put a stall of lucky dips. I'll charge rupees 10 for one lucky dip, but I will buy items which worth rupees 5. So you are making a profit of rupees 100%. No, I will spend rupees 3 on paper to wrap the gift and tape. So my expenditure is rupees 8. This gives me a profit of rupees 2, which is 2 by 8 into 100%, that is 25% only. Sometimes when an article is bought, some additional expenses are made while buying or before selling it. These expenses have to be included in the cost price. These expenses are sometimes referred to as overhead charges. These may include expenses like amount spent on repairs, labor charges, transportation, etc. Finding cost price, selling price, profit percent and loss percent. Sohan bought a second-hand refrigerator for rupees 2500 and then spent rupees 500 on its repairs and sold it for rupees 3300. Find his loss or gain percent. Cost price or CP is equal to rupees 2500 plus rupees 500. Overhead expenses are added to give CP rupees 3000. Sale price is rupees 3300. As selling price is greater than cost price, he made a profit of rupees 3300 minus 3000, that is 300. His profit on rupees 3000 is rupees 300. How much would be his profit on rupees 100? The 300 by 3000 into 100%, 30 by 3, that is 10%. Example 6. A shopkeeper purchased 200 bulbs for rupees 10 each. However, 5 bulbs were fused and had to be thrown away. The remaining were sold at rupees 12 each. Find the gain or loss percent. Cost price of 200 bulbs. 200 into 10, that is 2000. 5 bulbs were fused, hence the number of bulbs left is 200 minus 5, is 195. These are sold at rupees 12 each. This is selling price of 195 bulbs. So 195 into 12, that is 2340. He obviously made a profit as selling price is greater than cost price. Profit equal to 2340 minus 2000, that is 340. On rupees 2000, the profit is rupees 340. How much profit is made on rupees 100? The profit percent is equal to 340 by 2000 into 100%, that is 17%. Example 7. Minu bought 2 fans for rupees 1200 each. She sold one at a loss of 5% and the other at a profit of 10%. Find the selling price of each. Also find out the total profit or loss. Overall cost price of each fan is equal to rupees 1200. One is sold at a loss of 5%. This means if CP is rupees 100, SP is rupees 95. So when CP is rupees 1200, then SP is 95 by 100 into 1200, that is 1140. Also, second fan is sold at a profit of 10%. It means if CP is 100, SP is 110. Therefore, when CP is rupees 1200, then SP is 110 by 100 into 1200, that is 1320. Was there an overall gain or loss? We need to find the combined SP, CP and SP to say whether there was an overall profit or loss. Total cost price 1200 plus 1200 is rupees 2400 and selling price is rupees 2460. Since total selling price is greater than total cost price, the profit of rupees 2460 minus 2400 or rupees 60 has been made. Now sales tax, value added tax, goods and service tax. The teacher showed the class a bill in which the following heads were written: bill number, date, serial number, item, total, quantity, bill amount plus sales tax 5%, rate and amount. Sales tax is charged by the government on the sale of an item. It is collected by the shopkeeper from the customer and given to the government. This is therefore always on the selling price of an item and is added to the value of the bill. There is another type of tax which is included in the price known as the value added tax or VAT. From July 1, 2017, Government of India introduced GST, which stands for Goods and Service Tax, which is levied on supply of goods or services or both. Finding sales tax. The cost of a pair of roller skates at a shop was 450. The sales tax charged was 5%. Find the bill amount. On rupees 100, the tax paid was rupees 5. On rupees 450, the tax paid would be 5 by 100 into 450, that is 22.50. Bill amount equal to cost of item plus sales tax 450 plus 22.50, that is 472.50. Example 9. Value added tax or VAT. Wahida bought an air cooler for rupees 3,300 including a tax of 10%. Find the price of the air cooler before VAT was added. The price includes the VAT, that is the value added tax. Thus a 10% VAT means if the price without VAT is rupees 100, then the price including VAT is rupees 110. Now when the price including VAT is rupees 110, original price is rupees 100. Hence, when price including tax is rupees 3,300, the original price is 100 by 110 into 3,300, that is 3,000. Example 10. Salim bought an article for rupees 784 which included GST of 12%. What is the price of the article before GST was added? Let original price of the article be rupees 100, GST 12%. Price after GST is included is rupees 100 plus 12, that is 112. When the selling price is rupees 112, original price is rupees 100. When the selling price is rupees 784, then original price is 100 by 12 into 784, that is rupees 700. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.